We're at the car show and we're down by the park. We did. Feeling
66.
Pretty good. I think I'm all
For
over
sale.
Nope.
541-297-7408 if you want to buy
Already
it.
got Troy in there.
Hey, just fine, right? Yeah.
I like these, but I never liked them back in the day. Because there was no back end to them. Just might as well buy a pickup if you want to do this.
And this whole place was full already. Yeah. We drove, so Dickie went on a road trip. Jerry's trying to get the road trip bugs off.
And now everybody wants one.
And my leg did just fine.
I knew a guy who owned one when I was like 20 years old.
Anyway.